to connect a second monitor to your laptop easy tutorial. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect a second monitor to your laptop. First of all, you have to you can use external display connectors. Like, look for one of these three types of port on your laptop, like HDMI, USB-C or DisplayPort. And as you can see on the image, like this one. And after that you have to duplicate or extend display in Windows 10 or 11. So once you plugged in the monitor into the computer and power source, Windows should automatically detect it. If it doesn't, you can just go to the start menu from here, and you just can search for the settings option, settings, and after clicking on settings you have to go to the display option of your laptop. So for that you have to click on the system, and here you can see the display option. Here just have to click on here, and from here you have to click on multiple displays. So you have to click on detect other display. So if you click on here, if you connected another display successfully, they will show you that a display has been found, and you just can click and connect it, or you can also connect to a wireless display. So for that you have to click on connect from here, and you have to wait for some times when the cast option is finding your nearest wireless display. And if you found that, you just simply click on connect and it will connect automatically. So that's how you connect a secondary monitor to your laptop. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.